Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fold an Origami Lotus. So, of course you can choose different colors, but I chose to make my color more realistic. So I have a white one here, a peach colored one here, and then the one I'll be folding in today's video will be a pink one. So the only materials you need is a sheet of square paper, origami paper. It can be double-sided or colored on just one side. I prefer using double-sided, and your hands. And also it helps if you have like a nail, a sharp nail that you can use. So we're going to start by folding the paper in half to form a rectangle. Now fold it as neatly as possible and then use your nail to crease it. Unfold it and then fold it in half to make a rectangle the other way, the opposite way. Okay. Now you're just going to take the one of the corners and then fold it in to line it up with the center. And then do the same with another corner. And then keep in mind that all origami pieces, it really matters how neatly and precisely you do it, because if you do it like really messy, sloppy, it's not going to turn out well. It's not going to look very good. So that's why you want to try to keep it as neat as possible. Okay. So it should look something like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this one inwards. Basically just another, like, to form a smaller square. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take, you see this, and then we're just gonna fold it back out, but you're not gonna go like this. You're just gonna fold part of it back out. So then it should kind of look like that. And then just repeat with all the sides. And then try to keep them around the same, like, evenness. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to flip it over and fold this into the middle. And then just keep folding it into the middle. Now, by this time, it should have gotten pretty small. So if it's too difficult for you, simply pause this video, get a larger sheet of paper, and then you can do it. That would be easier for your first time, if it's your first time doing this. Okay, so now it should look something like this. And this is starting to look a lot like a flower now, right? That's good. So now all you're gonna do is just take one finger, preferably your index finger, hold down the center of it, and then use your other index finger and thumb to pinch one of the petals. And then you should feel, oh, if you can see it, this tiny like triangle that you can fold over, and then just pinch on that, alright, on top of it, not under it. Now you're just going to fold it down like that, and then do the same. So again, take this little triangle here, and then just pinch it, and then push it down. Ooh. Okay. And then repeat. For some of them, it may be a little hard. This one's a little more tricky. But again, all you're doing is just pinching the triangle and then just pulling it down or pushing it down. Now just flatten everything. I find it's easier to just flip it over and press your palm onto it and then kind of twist it. Okay, now you're just going to keep it flipped over so it should look like this. So there's like these little cracks here, and then you're just going to take one of these triangles and then just fold it over like that. Fold it over. And then just like push it as far as you can go without ripping, and then just crease it there. Oops, I think I ripped that one a teeny bit. That's fine. Okay, so here's your lotus. Now, it kind of depends on what you prefer. If you prefer it to be more open, then take out the little petals and then just kind of pinch it, and then do the same with the other ones, because a flat lotus does not look very good, right? It does not look like it's real. So with these ones, now over time it will eventually kind of form to be like this, where it kind of just opens naturally, and that's totally okay. Okay, so there's your lotus. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you had any trouble at all, go back, rewatch it. For any small detail that you missed, go back, rewatch it on slower speed too, as I know we're all working at different paces. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like, a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel, Get Crafty with DVK. And I also would like to let you know we recently just released our April newsletter. So if you haven't heard about our newsletters before, be sure and go check it out. It's in the description of our channel, linked in there, along with some fun resources that you can use for your crafty table or room. And it's just really fun, lots of fun, all free things. And we just let you know some fun sneak peeks, so you're the first to know about these new videos. So thank you so much for joining me on this day for an origami craft session, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Lotus fun, it's so pretty. So bye, I hope I'll see you soon again. Make sure to sign up for the newsletter. I'll see you soon.